Welcome to Entera Books Purchase Module. Manage your complete purchasing workflow from orders and billing to payments and returns. Simply follow the steps for efficient control. Let us begin. Purchase order. Let us understand purchase orders. Purchase orders help you formalize purchases before they happen. Create a purchase order by selecting a vendor, adding products, and defining quantities, pricing, and GST. You can save it as a draft or send it to the vendor. Each purchase order moves through statuses: draft, sent, GRN created, and billed, which determine the actions available. From here, you can proceed to create a GRN when goods are received, or convert the order into a purchase bill. Purchase bill. Now, let us look at the purchase bill. Purchase bills record the financial liability after goods or services are received. You can create a purchase bill directly or convert it from a purchase order for continuity. The system captures vendor details, items, taxes, and totals in a structured format. Based on its status, draft, sent, finalized, or cancelled, you can edit, finalize, or proceed with payments. Purchase bills act as the central financial document in the procurement process. Bill payments. Let us now understand bill payments. Bill payments allow you to record payments made to vendors. Payments can be created directly from a purchase bill in draft, sent, or finalized status, or independently by selecting a vendor. If bills exist, Entera automatically fetches and links them. Otherwise, payments can be recorded manually as advances. As payments are made, the system updates the outstanding balance of the purchase bill, ensuring accurate tracking of dues. Purchase return. Now, let us move to purchase returns. Purchase returns are used when goods are returned to the vendor. They cannot be created independently and must originate from a purchase bill in sent or finalized status. The system carries forward all details, allowing you to adjust quantities and capture return-related payment information. Purchase returns ensure that both the operational return and its financial impact are properly recorded. Debit note. Let us now understand debit note. Debit notes record the financial adjustment against a purchase bill for returned goods. They are created from purchase returns in active status with all details automatically carried forward. Once generated, the debit note reduces the outstanding balance of the original purchase bill, completing the return cycle. GRN documents. Now, let us explore GRN documents. GRNs or goods receipts notes are used to record the receipt of goods against a purchase order. They can only be created from purchase orders in sent or billed status using the three-dot menu. The system carries forward order details, allowing you to verify received quantities before billing. GRNs act as a checkpoint between ordering and billing, ensuring that only received goods are processed further. Recurring purchase list. Finally, let us understand recurring purchase list. Recurring purchase bills automate repeat transactions. They are created from any purchase bill, regardless of status, and use it as a template to maintain consistency in vendor, items, pricing, and taxes. Each recurring setup is accessible from the recurring purchase list and links back to the purchase bill view. Here, you can track details, payments, returns, adjustments, and activity logs all in one place. With Entera Books, every step from purchase order to payment, returns, and adjustments is connected through a single workflow. This ensures accuracy, control, and complete visibility across your entire procurement process.